Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue. I'm Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma and this is my channel, The Global Tongue, and in this channel we talk about communication. So today I'm here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is how much time does it take for and then So today I'll teach you how to use this statement nicely in a sentence. Alright, so let me start. So how much time does it take for, let's say, you guys to make a video? How much time does it take for you guys to make a video? So I'm asking you, how much time does it take for you guys to make a video? So you guys will be saying it takes, let's say, 10 minutes for us to make a video. So I ask you, how much time does it take for you guys to make a video? And you guys say, it takes 10 minutes for us to make a video. And the same way, how much time, the next question, so next is, how much time does it take for you to reach office from your home? So let's say for me, so you ask me this question, how much time does it take for me to reach office from my home? So it takes, so I'm saying it takes 1 hour for me to reach my office from my home. Alright, so whenever we are using this statement, we need to make sure that we are using how much time does it take. Alright, for, let's say, him to reach airport. Alright, so it takes approximately, you can say, 1 hour for him to reach the airport. So this is how we use this format, how much does it take? How much does it take? Or you can also use this sentence in this way. How much does it take to reach Delhi from Dehradun? So how much time does it? So how much time does it take to reach Delhi? Alright. So here I'm not talking about any particular body. So in general I'm saying how much time does it take to reach Delhi? So it takes, let's say, 8 hours to reach Delhi in general. So here if you're asking somebody how much time, so how much time does it take for John to reach Delhi? So it takes approximately 8 hours for John to reach Delhi. Alright. So this is how we use